Here's a pole barn I'm tearing down. It's about 30 by 24. I already stole all the roofing, as you can see. That was the main thing I needed. Now I'm trying to reuse these 2 by 10s, the rafters, because there's about 40 of them, and I don't really want to mill all those up if I don't have to, if I can reuse these. I loosened all the hurricane ties. I don't know how to zoom in, sorry, but there is some hurricane ties up there. You can see them, they're galvanized. I loosened all those, they're all unscrewed. I'm just grabbing the last of what's in here out before I start dropping it, which isn't much now. It's pretty much empty. These are the last 2 things that I gotta get out. I think this is like a lower transfer case with some kind of a brake. Probably an old dump truck or something heavy had this thing on it. I'm not 100% sure, but it's pretty cool looking. And then this SM 465 with an MP205 transfer case that I'm also saving. So I got the go-kart truck in here, so we're going to try to crane this up out of here. Going to see if I can find a place to set this camera down. Breaking my back, I need another chain. Just a car hoist on here, engine lift. I might build something a little different that can withstand more weight and go out farther. But for right now, and if these legs were cut down, it would be a lot better. I tried towing a rig yesterday, and these went right into the grill of it. But little things, little changes is all it needs. Alright, I'm going to get this other chain hooked up.